scalar weighting multiply y1 of t is nothing but 2 times of x1 square plus b into 2 times of x2 square of t. Then in these two, 2 is common, 2 times of a into x square of t plus b. This is output regarding the weighted output. This is the weighted output. Okay, weighted output here. Coming to the weighted input, y3 of t I am assuming as transformation of a into x1 of t plus b into x3 of t, x2 of t. Here, basic principle is what is the input is there, x1 of t, that is square and multiplied by 2, that is total. This is the input, whole square multiplied by 2 I have taken. Then it is 2 times of a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t whole square. So finally, these two terms, this term and this term, these two, this term and this term, these two terms are not equal. They are not equal. Both are they not equal. That's why it is not considered as a linear. Then system becomes non-linear system. Then the system becomes non-linear system. Non-linear system. Okay. Okay, with this linear already completed 3 or 4 models. Okay, we will see the next type. That's whether the system is time variant or time invariant. To find the time variant or time invariant, consider a system x of t if the output is y of t. That is basic thing. And input is delayed by t times, then output also is delayed by t times, then the system is said to be time invariant system. Time invariant system. What is the delay applied in the input? The same will be occurred in the output system also, that is time invariant. Time invariant system. See here also I'm considering second type of system. I'm considering here suppose x of t is a system, sorry input to system, y of t is output of the system. And if the input is delayed by capital T times, the same will occur in the y of small t minus capital T. Small t minus capital T. Small t minus capital T. Here these two are the one signal. Let us assume that this is x of t and corresponding y of t is like this. And in the delayed version also, that is we have delay is actually t is the starting point here. T is here, it is starting point here. Okay, in the output case, the same will be appear with some delay. With some delay, like this, with some delay. Here it is t. Here starting point is both the zeros. X of t and y of t, x of t and y of t. and x of t minus t and y of t minus t. This is x of t minus t, y of t minus t. Input is delayed, then output also some delay. That is time invariant. If the input and output characteristic does not change with the time, if the time shift in the input results corresponding time shift in the output, that is the time invariant. That is the concept behind the time invariant system. Okay, we'll see the conditions. What are the conditions we have? Suppose how we will check it. With one example, I will explain clearly. Consider same small modification is y of t equal to t square into x of t. Y of t equal to t square into x of t is the function. That means it is a system equation, system function. It is function is transfer function. Okay, how we will check it? What is the output due to input delayed? First of all, that is condition we have to write. That can be written as y of t minus delayed version. That means what is the output due to the, actually we need to write that one. Okay, output due to the delayed version. But in this one we may write y of, in this type of systems, t comma t we will write t comma capital T, where capital T indicates the delay, where capital T indicates the delay in seconds. Now this is not required here. That indicates y of t small t comma capital T equal to, that is transformation of x of small t minus capital T. Small t minus capital T. Small t minus capital T. That is nothing but I'm continuing here. That is y of t where t equal to y of t where x of t equal to t minus t. That means input is delayed. X of t equal to x of t equal to x of t minus t. That means output due to the input delayed by t seconds. Actually output y of t, here y of t is the output. Here writing x of t equal to t minus t means input delay by t seconds. Input delayed by t seconds. That means simply we are substituting x of t only. That means in the function of x of t, clearly I'm explaining, in the function, not at all other times. Actually t square is written the outside of the function, outside, that is multiplied factor. Okay, x value of t only we are substituting t equal to t minus t. that is x of t minus t. Input only delay, not in the value, not in the this one. Why? Because it is the input to delay x of t minus x t square x of t minus t. You will see the output. Next one. Next output to delay. Next one is output delay. In the output delay, we are checking t equal to t minus t. Simply we are substituting. Here it is. Y of small t minus capital T equal to y of small t minus capital T equal to y of small t minus capital T equal to. That means delayed in the output. That is delayed in the output. That equal to y of t at the instant t equal to t minus t. That means